Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is also a study vlog. Since I had said earlier that I have been finding it difficult to get back on track after I came back from the wedding, I decided that I will be making more of such study vlogs so that I can, be more accountable, and it has really helped me get back on track. So this is the early morning routine study vlog. So just let's jump right into it. I started my day at 4 a.m. with this amazing black coffee as always. And I did not want to waste any time, so got to studying polity from Indian Government and Politics by B.L. Fadia. I am referring to that book instead of Lakshmikant for my prelims, mains, as well as optional preparation. While I was doing that, I actually forgot that I had not changed the number of days for prelims, the countdown to prelims that I post every day, and I had not changed it. So I changed it to 146 days, and then I stuck it near my study table. And then I got back to studying again. I was actually doing the constitutional amendment chapter. It is a very lengthy chapter, and it actually took me easily an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes to finish the whole thing. I kept taking very short breaks in between, like 2-minute breaks where I would just close my eyes, because it was really early and I was, still getting used to waking up early. And it was very cold as well. Nevertheless, I did finish the whole chapter. After that, I decided to take a break of like 15 to 20 minutes easily. And then I decided to study history. Actually, some of my lectures by Pratik Nayak sir were pending, so I just decided that I wanted to catch up on it. And it was very cold, so I shifted to the bed instead of on the study table. Pratik Nayak sir is an amazing teacher for history, especially considering the fact that he himself likes to read it so much that he refers to so many books and gives us anecdotes and perspectives from all of these different books. It really helps in analyzing each topic, which helps in better understanding. I did history for almost an hour and 15 minutes. I was actually not feeling like reading the Spectrum because I had finished that very lengthy chapter from B.L. Fadia, and I just did not feel like reading another book right away. So that's why I chose to go for the lecture. After I finished history, I actually decided to take a quick break. I showered and then I got back around 10 o'clock after breakfast and showering, because I had a live lecture by Sudarshan sir on environment and ecology. It's a new course that he has started on Academy Plus. And I was actually struggling with environment, and he's a really great teacher as well. So I did environment lecture for 2 hours. I studied all about IUCN, its history, how it was founded, what does it do. And then he also started with some mapping of national parks in India. I will be posting the mapping video of national parks as well, but only after I finish all the national parks, and I will compile it all in one video, and then I would make that video and post it on my channel. Since I had come very quickly after my shower, I decided to take care of my, some pampering, feet pampering while watching the lecture. But after that session, I got back, complete my complete attention went back to the lecture itself. The special thing about Sudarshan sir's lecture is that he makes sure that everything he teaches we remember right in class itself. We don't have to go back home and then try to memorize anything. After I finished the lecture, I had a lot of work to do for my office, and so I got back to work. I was working till around 5:30 or so in the evening, and after that I decided that I needed to catch up on geography as well. So I did the chapter of physiography of India, and so here I'm just reading the chapter from NCERT. As such, I've done the geography course as well from Sudarshan sir, and so it has become very easy for me to understand everything, which is why my reading was not very slow. In fact, was quite quick. I was able to complete the entire session in some 30 minutes. So here I'm studying about the northern plains. After that, I got a little bit of a workout which I have not filmed, but immediately as soon as I got back from that, I decided I had my dinner, and then I decided that I needed to finish some of the remaining of my history lecture. So it was actually a 2-hour lecture which I did, which half of which I did in the first session, and I was doing the other half in the second session. While doing that, again, I am doing some self-care, just oiling my hair. This lecture went on till about 9 o'clock in the evening, and then later on I decided that I did not want to spend more time in front of the screen since I worked also for a long time. And so I turned off the screen and I got back to bed, and I read Bipin Chandra while I was in the bed. Though it was a Saturday, it was a working Saturday for me, which is why I had a lot of work, and despite all of that, I was able to pull easily 8 hours of study. I could have done a little better, but I'm catching up to it, and I'm sure that I would be there pretty soon. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up because it really encourages me. And do leave a comment below letting me know what else do you want me to make a video on. Although, to tell you the truth, for the next few days at least, I will be making more such study vlogs because it has really helped me, and it is making me stay quite accountable. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.